Is it possible to retrieve deleted Instagram messages from a different account?
Hello viewers, we're here today to talk about a question that many of you may have pondered. Can you retrieve deleted Instagram messages from a different account? This is a complex issue involving privacy, cybersecurity, and the design of Instagram itself. Let's dive into the details.
How does Instagram message deletion work?
Firstly, it's crucial to understand how Instagram's message deletion process works. When you delete a direct message on Instagram, it is removed from your inbox and the inbox of the person you sent it to. This means that the message will no longer be visible on either end. However, it is important to understand that deleting a message from your end does not mean that the message gets erased from Instagram's servers immediately. But retrieving those messages directly is not a feature provided by Instagram due to privacy and security reasons.
Can you retrieve deleted Instagram messages?
To directly answer the question, no, you cannot retrieve deleted Instagram messages from a different account. As per Instagram's privacy policy and terms of service, they do not allow access to deleted data unless a legal requirement compels them. Also, the deletion process is designed to be irreversible to protect the privacy and security of users. This also applies to third-party applications that claim to retrieve deleted messages. They are often misleading and potentially harmful to your online safety and security. These apps do not have access to Instagram's server data and thus cannot restore deleted messages.
Is there any way to prevent losing Instagram messages?
While you cannot retrieve deleted messages from a different account, there are ways to prevent losing Instagram messages in the first place. It's possible to manually back up your Instagram messages by taking screenshots or copying the text of the messages and storing them elsewhere. However, please remember that if you are preserving someone else's messages, you should respect their privacy and only do so with their consent. In conclusion, while it's not possible to retrieve deleted Instagram messages from a different account, you can take preventative measures to back up important messages. Remember to be mindful of privacy when doing so. We hope this video has been helpful in addressing your concerns and providing clarity about Instagram's message deletion process. Stay safe online,